Okay. Once again, you are welcome in that session. Okay. Thank you, all of you. I'm going to again start the new topic. That is pneumatic system. Okay. So continue with that. Okay. What is pneumatic system? I already told you yesterday or day before yesterday. I told you pneumatic technology deals with the study and the behavior, behavior and the application of compressed air in our daily life. Okay, so in general, and the manufacturing automation in particular. Okay, so pneumatic system use air as a medium which is abundantly available and can exhaust into the atmosphere. Can exhaust into the atmosphere, right? Can exhaust into the atmosphere. So just keep in the mind, if once you visited to the industry, if you will see all the industrial automations and all the machine in the industries, all the industrial automation and all the industries in the all the machine in the industries are governed with the pneumatic system. Are governed with the pneumatic system. So once you will see those who have gone through the uh, those who have gone through the industrial exposure and industrial training during their major or minor training. So you have seen the CNC machine means all the actuation in the CNC machine are governed by the pneumatic system. So once the compressor is getting failure, the whole machine will not work. The whole machine will not work. Like I'm giving you the example. Let us suppose we are having the CNC machine on which we are going to clamp the shaft. So the clamping medium, so on and off of the clamping medium, okay. Air gun, and all those things, opening and closing of the doors will not work. Will not work. Why it will not work? Why it will not work? Because if the compressor is not working properly, it cannot work. Means once nowadays in as per automation concern, if the compressor is getting failure, if the compressor is getting failure, the whole machine will be in the idle condition. So unnecessarily the idle time will be increased, and that time is not good for the industries, because every minute is calculative. So every minute they are losing something. Every minute they are losing some amount of the money, some amount of their capital, right? So the pneumatic technology especially deals with the study of behavior and the application of the compressed air. So air is available in the plenty. Air is available in our surrounding, in our atmosphere in plenty. So you can use the air from the atmosphere free of cost. So pneumatic system is using what? Air as a medium, and which is abundantly available and can be exhausted into the atmosphere after completion of the assigned task, right? So what are the important component of a pneumatic system? What are the important component of a pneumatic system? So one, I must tell you, air filter. Air filter. What is the role of air filter? Okay, I think you are familiar. We are using the same filter in the hydraulic system. What they are doing, hydraulic system में जो filter हम लोग use करते थे, what they are doing in actual practice? Yes, of course they are doing in actual practice. They are filtering the unwanted material. They are filtering the dust, dirt in the fluid system, in the fluid, right? Here we are talking about the air filter. They will filter the air. So these are used to filter out the contaminants from the air. In air we are having the several contaminants like the dust, dirt, and everything. Dust, dirt, and everything that you are looking for. Okay. Then we are talking about the compression. Okay. So compressed air is generated. How do you generate the compressed air? By the use of the air compressor. I think you all are familiar. What is the role of compressor nowadays? So that can be governed by the compressor. That can be governed by the compressor. Compressor क्या करता है? They will suck the atmosphere. They will suck the air from the atmosphere, right? They will suck the air from the atmosphere. That is available in plenty, free of cost. Okay, so compressed air is generated by the use of compressor, right? Air compressors are either diesel or the electrically operated. Let us suppose if you will see in our lab, you will see we are having the electric operated compressor. Have you seen? Anybody have you seen in our lab the compressor available is electrically operated compressor. So based on the requirement of the compressed air, suitable capacity of compressor may be used. Let us suppose if you'll see in industry, you will see in the industry is having a big block of compressor in there. They are having a separate unit. They are having a separate unit in industries, which is compressed because because the occurrence of the accident may be very prone in the compressor. So the compressor area is separate from the plant area, and from that by the use of the pipeline, they are delivering one by one. Okay, so the number of pipelines are gone from this compressor house to the plant, so that by the pipeline they will provide the compressed air at the required destination. So every machine is connected with those. They are having the several connections that already I told you in the hydraulic system, that hoses and the pipes. So in the similar way, they are having the several connections in the plants, and by the use of this, they are running them very comfortably. Okay. So rather than this, if you are talking about air cooler, so what is the function of air cooler? So during the compressor, air temperature increases. If you are going to suck the atmospheric air and started to compress it. So during the compression, the temperature of the air will be increased. So therefore, the cooler are used to reduce the temperature of the compressed air. The function of the cooler is to reduce the temperature of the compressed air, so that it will not harm in the functioning of functioning of pneumatic system, right? Then go to the dryer. And what is the function of dryer? You just keep in the mind. Dryer, the water vapor, or you can say the moisture in the air is separated from the air by using the dryers. In open air is having dust, dirt, and humidity. The humidity, moistures are available in the air. If you are taking those air directly, they might have caused some problem. So dryer will do what the air vapors or the water vapors present, or water vapors or the moistures present in the air, they may be dried out, so that it will not enhance the practice, or so that it will not enhance the practice of corrosion. ओके, corrosion नहीं हो पाएगा, उसकी वजह से corrosion नहीं हो पाएगा. In order to stop the corrosion, we must have to use the dryer, right? Then come to the control valve. Okay, so come to the control valve. Okay, control valve का क्या काम होता है? I already told you in the previous lectures. Control valve is of three types. What are those control valves? I told you the pressure control valve, flow control valve, and the directional control valve. The same is used in the hydraulic system, and same is used in the pneumatic system. So pressure control valve, the function of the pressure control valve, you are familiar. They will control the liquid pressure. The function of the flow control valve, which is to control the liquid flow rate, and the direction control valve, that will control the direction of flow of the liquid or flow of the air. So this is what the control valve will do. So the control valves, I think you must remember. Then come to the air actuators. Okay, what is air actuators? Air cylinders and the motors are used to obtain the required movement of mechanical element of pneumatic system. Air actuators means what? Actuator means actuator means to actuate. So by the use of compressed air, the mechanical element or mechanical component is required to move. Mechanical component is required to move. Then we are talking about the electric motor. इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर आपको पता है, ट्रांसफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इनटू द बताइए, ट्रांसफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इनटू द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, एंड इट इज यूज्ड टू ड्राइव द कंप्रेसर. What is the function of electric motor? They are responsible to drive the compressor. Then receiver tank. Have you seen, if you visited somewhere in the petrol pump? Okay, so petrol pump is having the facility to keep the air with them, so that all the vehicles tires is having the good quantity of the right quantity of the air. You may check it. Okay, so they are having the compressor tank. So the compressor tanks, if you will see in our lab, it is a very small tank. If you will see that petrol pumps, that pump may be the bigger than in our college. Okay, and if you go in the industry, that might be far bigger than what we have and what we have seen on the petrol pump, right? So the receiver tanks is used aiming to aiming to store the compressed air. Okay. What is the function of receiver tank? They will receive the compressed air and for the use in the future, for the use in the future. So they will store the compressed air or pressurized air inside that, so that we can use it into the future references. So that we can use it to the future references, right? So these are the components we are talking for. So see, this is the basic component of the pneumatic system. See, this is the basic. These are the basic component of the pneumatic system. See this diagram. See this diagram. This diagram is what? This diagram is showing the basic component of the pneumatic system. Basic component of the pneumatic system. So this question has been asked earlier in the university examination. These questions have been asked earlier in university examination, right? So just keep in the mind, we are having, we are having this is the intake filter. This is what intake filter means. When we are taking the air from the atmosphere, so the intake filter will remove all the unwanted materials, unwanted material, and send those air to the compressor. Send those air to the compressor. And this compressor is associated with the, this compressor is associated with the motor. Okay, this is electrical motor. Okay, and what they will do, compressor will compress the received air. Compressor will compress the received air, okay, and pass on to the cooler. And cooler काम क्या होता है, I already told you. I already told you the individual individual function, individual responsibility. So once you are compressing the air that you have received directly from the atmosphere after getting it filtered from them, so if you are going to compress them due to the compressor action, what will be the result? Due to the compressor action, the temperature of the air will be increased. So that's what we have provided them the cooler, so that increased temperature may not damage the compressor and may not damage the mechanism of the compressor, right? So from this it goes to the separator. From cooler, the compressed air it goes to the separator, and separator will do what? Separator will do the separation from all those dust, dirt, and the moisture from there. Okay, and they will send the same to the receiver. They are having a tank which will receive all those filtered air inside that, compressed filter air inside that. Okay, so after this receiver tank, right? After this receiver tank, they will send they will send this compressed air to the for the secondary air treatment. And in secondary air treatments, secondary air treatment. What we will do in the secondary air treatment? Tell me if you are knowing what we will do in the secondary air treatment. Secondary air treatment में लोग क्या करते हैं कि उस एयर कंप्रेस्ड एयर के अंदर में जो भी डस्ट डर्ट और सॉरी मॉइस्चर्स होते हैं, so moistures will not harm the associated component of the pneumatic system. So क्या करते हैं, उसको हीट ट्रीटेड करते हैं, उसको ड्रायर रखते हैं. ड्रायर में ड्रायर से क्या कर देता है, उसके अंदर जो मॉइस्चर होता है या वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं उसको इवापोरेट कर देता है. And after evaporation has been made, this is connected with the control valve. This is connected with the control valve. And I told you the control valve is of 3 types. What I said in the previous classes, control valve 3 तरीके के बताया था मैंने. Pressure valve, direction control valve. Okay, क्या बताया था मैंने, बताइए.
Flow control valve.
Yes, flow control valve, direction control valve, pressure control valve. So as per the function of the control valve क्या करता है, control the pressure. When you are going to switch, this is the switch. This is the push button. Actually, this is the push and button. This is what push button type switches. This is the push button type control valve. If you are going to press the button, so what they will do? They will simply pass on the compressed air, pass on the secondary air treated compressed air to the piston actuators alternately. You are getting what I'm telling? Alternately, once it is getting from this side, once it is passed on to this side, and they will compress the compressor. They will they will compress the actuations. And once this is compressed, once this piston will go inside, so this valve will close and that valve is open. See this, and when it is passing the compressed air inside there, so this piston will goes outside. So in that case, by the alternate applications of compressed air, it may reciprocate. The piston may reciprocate and actuator may move accordingly. Actuator may move accordingly. Got it?
सर
हाँ बोलो।
रिसीवर का क्या काम है?
बेटा रिसीवर क्या करता है, आपको मैंने प्रीवियसली देखिए, आप रिसीवर को हमने बताया था, आप अगर ध्यान दिए होंगे सारे कंपोनेंट वही बताया था कि जो रिसीवर टैंक है ये क्या करता है कि जो भी कंप्रेस्ड एयर आता है, कंप्रेसर से जो एयर आता है ना, वो क्या करता है वहाँ रिसीव करके रखता है, मतलब स्टोर कर लेता है। स्टोरेज डिवाइस है वो, समझ लीजिए वो क्या करता है, स्टोरेज डिवाइस है। यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग? ये क्या करता है, जो भी कंप्रेस्ड एयर आया, कंप्रेस्ड एयर से जो भी कंप्रेस्ड एयर आया इस कंप्रेसर से, ठीक है, जो भी कंप्रेस्ड एयर आया इस कंप्रेसर से, वो क्या करता है, जो भी कंप्रेस्ड एयर आया कंप्रेसर से, ठीक है, जो भी कंप्रेस्ड एयर आया कंप्रेसर से, वो कहाँ पास ऑन होता है, वो पास ऑन होता है रिसीवर में। और रिसीवर क्या करता है, स्टोर करके रखता है कंप्रेस्ड एयर को, ठीक है। और देन जो कंप्रेस्ड एयर होता है अगेन उसका एयर ट्रीटमेंट करता है ताकि वो कंपोनेंट के अंदर न जाके परफॉर्मेंस को न खराब करे। तो यहाँ क्या रखा है हमने, वी हैव पुट द सेकेंडरी एयर ट्रीटमेंट, and secondary air treatment will again treat the compressed air which is having the, maybe they are having the moisture because it pass on from the cooler, and maybe they have accumulate the droplets of water or the moisture from the air. So they are having the dryer will overcome the moistures and the water droplets from there, and highly compressed air pass on from the control valves, and they will activate the machine or mechanism accordingly, right?
Yes sir, आगे समझो।
Okay, so just keep those things in mind, because in your university examination many times they have asked about this. Many times they have asked about this. What are the components? It has been asked in your university examination. What are the component of pneumatic system? What are the component of pneumatic system so far? And if you see this diagram, this is the same diagrams we have that earlier I saw, but this may be the block diagrams, right? So if you see, this is the motor, this is the electrically operated motor. So this is the last slide for the day, right? So in pneumatic power system, electric motor drives an air compressor. Who is responsible to run the compressor? Compressor कैसे run कराते हैं? By the use of electric motor. So this is the electric motor is installed to operate the compressor, right? Compressor. And this is, this is the air inlet. Actually, this is the air inlet. So the air inlet to the compressor is likely to be filtered and via a silencer to reduce the noise level. यहाँ से देखिए क्या करता है, यहाँ से एयर को सक किया ओपन एटमॉस्फेयर से, फिल्टर ने फिल्टर किया, पास ऑन किया साइलेंसर पे, और साइलेंसर से कंप्रेसर में. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ साइलेंसर? रोल ऑफ साइलेंसर क्या होता है? द रोल ऑफ साइलेंसर इज टू स्टॉप द नॉइज पोल्यूशन, स्टॉप द नॉइज लेवल during the suction of the air, right? And it goes on the compressor, and compressor to the pressure relief valves. What is the function of pressure relief valves? So I must tell you, a pressure relief valves provide protection against the pressure in the system rising above the same level. Pressure हमने previous classes में बताया, hydraulic system में बताया था कि the function of the pressure relief valve is to relieve the pressure once excessive pressure is received at that end, so that the accident may not cause, the burst may not cause, right? And then if you are going to pressurize, the pressure is too much. When we are going to compress the air due to the compress action of the air, so the air temperature may rise. So that must be passed on to the cooler. And cooler क्या करता है? What is the function of cooler? Since the compressor increases the temperature of the air, right? So they are likely to be the cooling system, and this is providing the cooling system, and to remove the contaminants or contaminations and water from the air, a filter with the water trap is used. यहाँ क्या किया, cool कर दिया, so that it will not take, expansion will not take place, and pipeline will not burst, compressor will not burst. So it is passed on to the filter. Secondarily, we are passing it to the filter, and they will trap the water. So the water received from the cooler stage must be trapped over here. They will trap the water from here and pass on to the air receiver. And I already told you what is the function of air receiver. So an air receiver increases the volume of air in the system and smooths out any short-term pressure fluctuation. ये क्यों करता है? एयर प्रेशर का हमने बताया था वो काम कि अगर प्रॉपर सप्लाई से प्रॉपर प्रेशर हमें नहीं मिल पा रहा है, डिजायर्ड प्रेशर नहीं मिल रहा है, तो एयर रिसीवर्स में, एयर स्टोरेज में जो हमने एयर सप्लाई करके रखा हुआ है, स्टोर करके रखा हुआ है, सो दे विल मेंटेन और दे विल मैनेज the any kind of fluctuation that may occur during the transmission of the air from the compressor to the desired output, right? So this is the role of air receiver, to accumulate the air in abundance, right?
Yes, sir.
Who is this Bhati? Okay, so with this I'm discontinued my lecture. So we will meet tomorrow with the new topics. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.